Hello, everybody, and I hope you're all well. So, as you probably noticed, the guitar seems to have two gold humbuckers in it. Well, thanks to Ivan at Van Shank Guitars for the first set of pickups that he had wound for me, and at first I didn't have them wired right, then I got the wiring right, then I got the control cavity wiring right, and then we finally got to hear the pickups. And again, I still have the pickups, and they will be resent to him for him to do whatever, move them on to another person, rework them. Again, I thought they were pretty good pickups. Like, you know, for someone to hand build a set of pickups, I think he did an awesome job. So I'm not going to be discrediting him with this, but they just simply did not work out for this guitar. With that said, I did manage to I originally was going to get a set of the Arctic P120s or LP120s or CLP120s they were called. Basically, they were Alnico 5 humbuckers. And they kind of went up in price in the time I was looking at them. They're getting close to about once shipping and taxes were applied, they were about $70. So I started snooping around again on Amazon, and I also had looked on a few YouTube channels because a similar brand popped up named Fleor, and they're about $20 cheaper, and they're Alnico 5 2-wire, so the classic style, and it's like about $50 or so on Amazon. They come shipped in this silver foil. My set did come, though, with an issue. And you can kind of see when I turn it on the bridge pickup there at the front of it, and in around the middle there of the neck humbucker, they've got some divots in the covers, but it doesn't seem to affect it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show the differences. Well, I shouldn't say differences because that's not right. But I am going to show how these pickups are and how they sound in this guitar. Again, very simple demo, playing the few chords, playing through clean and playing through gain, just to give you an idea. But so far, so good. So, again, you will see me fiddling with knobs, my hand down here, and I will, you'll kind of get an idea on what each pickup sounds like. So, let's have a clean sound on the Katana Mark II 100 combo, and let's just check things out, shall we? So, if you've gotten this far in the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, everyone out there who has subscribed to the channel. I'm getting finally closer to 1,000 subs. I really appreciate those who have subscribed. I would really appreciate more if you could get my view hours up. That would help my the two wire braided wire Fleor Alnico 5 humbuckers with the gold covers, despite the indents in the covers, are I think a real steal at 50, well, after tax and shipping, around $50 Canadian. So probably for you folks in the US, probably be more closer to around the $40 price point. That is, if you like Alnico magnet pickups and the Alnico 5 sound. In the case of what it did for this guitar, though, it finally gave it what it needed. It needed that little bit of darkness to it, but also at the same time, it still needed, you know, the mids and the highs. And just with the few, like the clean sound and the gained up sound, you can hear how well the pickups do with this guitar configuration of a maple neck and a mahogany style body. Sounded pretty good. Do they sound like EMGs? No. But then again, though, this was a Gibson that came with fake ass EMGs, so didn't work. I don't know if they actually would have sounded decent, because I probably should have verified that the pots were grounded properly. But again, all the electronics that were in this to begin with, when I got it in a trade, were garbage mini pots. And, you know, as I said with most Gibsons, as I've properly named this guitar, the Gibson, you know, you can't expect great, you know, high quality electronics to begin with. You know, the most you can hope for is, you know, a good neck and a good body, and that all the frets are installed in the appropriate places, and your bridge is installed in the proper place for it to have the proper intonation attributes. Again, with that said, thanks everyone for watching and listening to this video. I hope you are all having a safe and warm December. And if I don't have another video up, season's greetings to all, no matter what your religious belief is. And I will catch you later. Bye for now.